Hey everyone, Amy here. Before we take off for the holidays, I want to create a few short videos on some new GroovePages features that you may have missed. One of the major updates in GroovePages for December is MegaMenus. Yes, you can already create menus and submenus in GroovePages, but MegaMenus allow you to further customize and design the look of your menus, and they look pretty cool. These short GroovePages tutorials will go in tandem with my GroovePages for Beginners tutorial. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in my pinned comment below. And if you ever need any GroovePages videos, you'll find them all in my GroovePages tutorials playlist. Okay, let's go. All right, in your GroovePages website, head to Pages, and these are all the pages in your menu navigation, as you can see over here. Now you can create a mega menu for every one of your pages, which means you can create a mega menu for the About page, the Work With Me page, and the Contact page. Let's pretend this is a website for a financial coach. And under Work With Me page, it makes sense for her to have service number 1 and 2 online programs as sub pages. Instead of leaving it as sub pages like we have here, what we're going to do is hide these pages and drag them under hidden pages. So you click on the 6 dots here and drag it down. It's all under hidden pages now. So we're going to create a mega menu for the Work With Me page. You will click on the 3 dots and click on Edit Mega Menu. A blank canvas will appear on the right, and there is a notice that the mega menu is hidden inside the builder, and there will be options here only available to the mega menu. Before we start adding the mega menu, I just want to point out, once you finish stylizing your mega menu, you would click on Save and Exit to save your mega menu. Now head to Blocks. Under Block Type, click on the drop down, select Mega Menu. By clicking on these drop down arrows, you can see mega menus that have icons in it, mega menus with images, mega menus with newsletter and opt-in forms, and wireframe mega menu options. I'm just going to keep this simple and go to icons. I really like this 2-column icon mega menu. So what I'm going to do is hold on it and drag it into the canvas. But guys, if you have a page with a lot of subcategories or topics, you can drag in the 3-column or 4-column mega menu here. Let's collapse this to make it wider. To change the icon, just click on it and the styling toolbar should pop up over the right. You'll click Configure, delete this, and I'll type in Service to see if anything pops up. I'll select that. Now you can also link the icon to a specific page. Click on Update, and if I wanted to change the icon color, go to Text, click on here for the hex code. Let's choose purple, exit out of this. To edit the heading, click on it, click on Configure, type in Services 1. I can link it to a page on the website, and that page could be Services 1, and click on Update. Now what I notice here is that once you update, the description also disappears. So it's a slight glitch and Groove will be fixing it soon. Now, instead of linking the icon and the heading individually, I would highlight the whole container, and that's the list container over here, and then link that to the page, Service 1, click on Update. That way, regardless of where people click within this container, they'll be redirected to the Services 1 page. To change the hover effect, you see how when I hover over the container, the background color is in light blue? You can change that by clicking on that container, and you can see you're in the container by going to the breadcrumb, head to States and click on Hover, then click on Background and change the color to any of your brand colors. Go ahead and change these icons and headings, and if you want to delete an existing heading or icon container, click on it. You want to be in list container, then you can click here and delete it. I'll do the same for this and delete that as well. What I like to do next is click on the body, which is the background here, head to background and change that to a darker color to fit my website's theme. I might increase the opacity to around there. And now that we're done, remember to head up here and click on Save and Exit. Let's head back to Pages, click on the three dots, Edit Menu. You can further customize the Mega Menu by deactivating it on all screens, desktop, laptop, mobile only, or horizontal and vertical tabs by just toggling it over. And if you don't like this Mega Menu, you can just delete the Mega Menu and start from scratch. We'll click on Save and Exit, click on the preview, and if I hover over Work With Me, you can see the Mega Menu here. And guys, if it's not reflecting the way it looks, then you might have to publish it and open up an incognito window to see the final result. Alright guys, if you enjoyed these videos, you can help support the channel by buying me a sushi. The link to that is in my pinned comment below. And until next time, see ya!